Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's video, as I always am, but today's a little bit different because as you can tell, I do have a new background. And you guys, I feel like I have struggled with my background for so long. I've never been like really happy with the background that I've had since I've been on YouTube. And this weekend, my mom and my aunt came over and they helped me with this background, and I am truly so excited about it. I hope that you guys like it as much as I do. We might be doing like a few adjustments here and there just with like the angles and everything, but let me know down below if you like it. I really hope that you do because I'm just really excited. But anyways, I know that I've been a little bit off my schedule lately, so I do want to apologize. After this weekend, we should have almost everything done in our house, and it's just been crazy moving everything around. I know this is almost like a little bit of an update before Mail Haul Monday, but yeah, now my actual beauty or like get ready room is in the room behind this room, which makes it so much easier for me. I have all these drawers that I've organized that I'm going to be testing out new products every week, and I'm just really excited. I feel like I needed a lot of change, and so this just has me really pumped. But anyways, today we're doing my Mail Haul Monday series where I will be unboxing packages, and I'm so excited to share with you guys the new releases and just what different companies sent over. As always, I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys watching this, because without you, this video wouldn't even be possible without your support. So I love you guys so much. If you are new to my channel, then hello, welcome. Sorry, this intro is way longer than normal. But before you leave, make sure that you do not forget to click the subscribe button right down below so you're notified for future videos from me. Typically, I post 3 days a week, so Wednesdays, Fridays, and mail hauls on Monday. And make sure that you also click the bell notification so you're notified as soon as the videos go live. But I'm excited to dive in, so let's get started. So this is the first package. I did better this week, and I didn't really open up a ton of the packages, but this actually came over from Becca, and I'm very excited about it. I know that you guys typically like a wider background or where you can see more stuff that I'm unboxing, but I kind of like this like up close and personal. I think it'll be really good for tutorials, which I'm actually going to be posting one probably at the end of the week, first impressions of all brand new makeup. But anyways, they sent over this and all 3 of these. And if you guys want a full dedicated swatch video, please sound off down below so I know. This is the Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love Collection. It says colorful, crafted for your complexion. And here's the card they sent over. I don't even think you guys are ready for me to open this. So many different shades. This would definitely be a really long video, but let me know because I'm actually really interested in these. The first one that stands out to me is Sorbet. Let's see what this is. It is a cool medium pink shade. And I love that all these tell the undertone. So packaging is stunning. Here's what it looks like. And then at the top, it has the round circle. Just like the top of the box, it has Becca on it. See right there. Here is what this color looks like. Oh my goodness, such a beautiful shade right there. And again, that is Sorbet. And I'm just gonna pick a couple shades out just to show you guys what they look like. This one is Poppy, and this one looks like a really bright orange. Ooh, it is beautiful right there. I'm very excited. This formula, let's see what it says. It's a $24 lipstick. It says, let your lips be kissably smooth and drenched in an illuminated color. Our brand new lipstick collection includes 30 shades of silky satin lipsticks with an 8-hour wear, infused with hydrating ingredients for an extra smooth application and comfortable wear. So very exciting. Also, if I'm talking weird, I bit my tongue the other day, I'm pretty sure, and now it has formed into something not great. So yeah, that's what that is. Next thing we have is Tulip. Again, a really pretty shade from the looks of the packaging. Ooh, this is a me shade. So pretty, and that is Tulip. And then I'm pretty sure these are almost like all of the lip liners to coincide with all of the shades. Maybe not. I'm not sure, but they look really, really pretty. So there are those. And I do want to kind of take at least one of them out of the packaging so we can see what the lip liner looks like. And again, you guys, let me know. I definitely really want to do a full review on these. Okay, so here is what the lip pencil looks like. And I love that it's a roll-up top, as you can see, because I don't like playing around with sharpening a pencil. So yes, as you can see, it is a roll-up top, which I love because I don't like having to sharpen a pencil. Very nice. These look really good. I feel like they have just been killing it with the products lately. So I want to do the review. Let me know if you want to see the review, because we do not have enough time in Mail Haul Monday to swatch all of these beautiful shades. But a big thank you to the Becca Cosmetics team for sending over this beautiful package. I'm honestly probably going to go ahead and set these on my vanity to start testing them out. I think that's like the one thing I'm very excited about with our house, like everything changing, is it's just so much better with the way that everything is laid out, if that makes sense. So I'm really excited to really dive into 2019 and be able to test so many more products for you guys. I'm just so excited about it. And one thing I want to note, because I just see this, is that this is a little card for the lip pencils. They retail for $18. And how many shades? 18 shades. Thank you to Becca. Next package that we had came from Huda Beauty. And I always love that they put everything in like a little Huda Beauty bubble wrap package. This is the Huda Beauty X Jacqueline. And these are actually eyelashes. And they are beautiful, just like everything that Huda creates. So here is the little front of the package. And then here are these beautiful lashes. So there they are. And I love Huda lashes. They're honestly one of my favorite lash brands. So I cannot wait to try these out. I need to actually order some more of her lashes, because I have not been wearing lashes lately in videos because I'm out. Next package came from Colourpop. I have not opened this one up, so I have no idea what it is. Okay, so it says we made a mascara, and it looks like these are colored mascaras. Oh, the packaging's so cute. Frilly things. I always get these in my hair. Okay, so here is what the package looks like, and it says BFF Volumizing Mascara. And then when you open it up, you have all these different shades. It says, did we just become best friends? Yep. So we have a red, a pink, a yellow, a teal, a blue, a purple, and a black. And then the packaging is super duper cute. I love the idea. I definitely want to try out the black before I try out the rest of the colors. But the shade names are super cute. So we have Left on Red. We have Pink Ink. Oh, I like the sound of that. We have Yellow Goodbye, Kiss and Teal, Blue Yaman, Purple Prose, and Black on Black. So yeah, these look really neat. And it has a BFF written all over the top of them. Hopefully you guys can see, and it has Colourpop Volumizing Mascara on it. Moment of truth. Let's see what the spoolie looks like. Ooh, spoolie is a nice size. So I have to let you guys know what I think about this. I definitely, like I said, want to use the black before I go diving into a bunch of crazy shades, but I'm excited that Colourpop is continuing to come out with so many fun products. And thank you to Colourpop and Huda for those past two packages. I feel like I'm a little bit off my game today just because we've had so much going on, you guys. It has just been so crazy lately, but it's so cool to think that our house is like almost done. I cannot believe it. Next one is also from Colourpop, and I realized that I had not unboxed this. This is the I Love Sarah E collection. I've had this for a couple weeks and I had not opened it up yet. This is the Through My Eyes collection, and I'm really excited to play with it. Here is what the collection looks like. Here is the palette. And it has almost like a kaleidoscope type theme. Oh, these colors are really pretty. I feel like they're even prettier in person than how they look online. So many different shades that I probably wouldn't normally wear, but hey, I'm going to give it a try. Okay, so here's what the colors look like. You have some really bright shades. You have some really pretty like deeper greens and some cranberry shades, purples, and a good mixture of mattes and shimmer shades. I'm just going to swatch one shade for you guys right now because this one looks so pretty. Ooh, it is pretty. Okay, maybe swatch another one. Oh, y'all know how I feel about my Colourpop shadows. They're like some of my favorite eyeshadows, even next to high-end shadows. I feel like Colourpop gives high-end everything a run for its money. So there are those shades swatched. Putting this in my everyday drawer. I'm excited to say that and excited that I have an everyday drawer to test out stuff for you guys. So I'm kind of on the fence of how I want to do this. Either like, okay, maybe two different ways. The first way is I could continue doing mail hauls every single Monday and maybe every other Friday do like a favorites and flops type video where I talk about the products that I hauled the past 2 weeks and if they worked or not. Or I could do like every other Monday a mail haul and then every other week a review. I don't know how I want to do it. or I could do like Friday favorites every other week. I don't know. So let me know what you think. If you guys think that's a good idea, if you're like, I don't like it. But I do haul so many products on my channel, and I want to make sure I'm letting you guys know what did and didn't work, because a lot of times things do and don't work. Okay, I feel like I'm a little delirious today. All right, next thing we have is the lip bundle. I honestly don't really like the packaging of these, like the outside with like the lips and eyeballs and stuff on them. Shades are beautiful though in this lip collection. So there are those right there. And we have this super cool kaleidoscope, I think is what this is called. This is so neat. I've not saw one of these since I was a kid. A big thank you to Colourpop for this package. Next package we have came from Laritzy Cosmetics. And we have their Velvet Liquid Lipsticks. So it looks like they have 4 different shades. Ooh, okay. First shade is called Swoon. It is a beautiful red. Next shade is Saint. This is also red, but it's a metallic red. And that is Saint. We have Royal, which is a really pretty, like purpley metallic shade. That is Royal. And then we have Legend, which is like another red metallic right there. So thank you so much to Laritzy Cosmetics for that package. Okay, next package we have came from Kokie Cosmetics. I feel like this, yeah, it was from a while ago, and I did not realize that I didn't open it. While I've been organizing this weekend, I found a few packages that I'd missed. This is the Kokie Cosmetics Powder Contour Palette. This one reminds me so much of the Kat Von D one. I feel like there's so many companies that are coming out with almost like dupes, and they look the exact same, like the same lineup and setup of everything. I'm almost thinking about doing a video of the real palettes versus the dupe palette. So let me know if you guys want to see that down below. I have a lot of ideas, but I want to know what kind of videos y'all want to see too. So anything that you want to see, let me know in the comments. And I think that is going to complete this week's video. I do try to save a couple packages each week because I don't know what is coming in. So I want to try to make sure we do these every single Monday. As I've mentioned before, sometimes January, there's not as many new releases like January, February, and I feel like March, April, and the rest of the year, it just gets crazy. So anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you to every single brand. Thank you to Kokie Cosmetics for that package. I'm so appreciative, and I feel so lucky to be able to do these videos each week for you guys. So I love you. Thank you for your support. I feel like I needed a lot of change, and this just has me, ooh, okay. And then make sure that you click the let me get everything. Ooh. Okay, now the next one, if I can get it out, well, okay, no. I do want to do a bunch more giveaways in 2019. I'm working on getting some packages together, so stay tuned for that. And I love you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.